Hello friends, first of all wishing you all a very happy Mahasaptami. So I am all set for today's pandal hopping and take you all to new location, new pandals. So without wasting any time, please don't forget to like the video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon given below so that you don't skip any of my upcoming videos. So without wasting the time, let's roam around. So friends, now we are at Sri Colony, Jubo Sangho. Here you can see a beautiful Bhutan style temple has been made here. So let's go inside. You can see a beautiful decoration made up of paper and thermocol, the dragons, Chinese dragons. Some light works is going on here. So this is the idol of Goddess Durga. Very beautiful traditional style idol. So friends, this was Jubo Sangho. Now I will be moving towards Bharat Mata Mandir, Bijaygarh. So friend, now we are at Bijaygarh 6 Polli Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. Very beautiful. The idol of Lord Shiva at front. The whole pandal has been decorated with the bells. Here, decorated Shiv Linga. Very beautiful decoration. And here is the idol of Goddess Durga, a very beautiful idol. Traditional style idol. A very beautiful one. So friend, this was Bijaygarh 6 Polli. Now moving forward towards Bharat Mata Mandir. So friends, now we are at Bijaygarh 8 number ward. Another very beautiful decoration here. And very beautiful traditional style of idol. A beautiful one. So let's move forward. So friends, now we are at Bijaygarh Bharat Mata Mandir. You can see a very beautiful temple has been made over here at Bijaygarh Bharat Mata Mandir. Here, instead of Goddess Durga, you can see here the idol of Bharat Mata with the flag of India in hand. So the only slogan that goes here, that is Vande Mataram. You can see the flag of India that is waving at the top. Looks really very beautiful. Really very beautiful. So friends, this was Vijaygarh Bharat Mata Mandir. Now I'll be moving towards Golf Green. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, now we are at Golf Green Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. Here a small but very beautiful and traditional style of pandal has been made. Let me take the idol from close. Here you can see a traditional style of idol, very beautiful one. So a very beautiful decoration has been done over here. So friends, this was Golf Green Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. Now I'll be heading forward to Golf Green Colony. So stay tuned with me, stay tuned with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, now we are at Golf Green Colony. A very beautiful and unique pandal has been made over here. You can see a traditional artwork that has been done, and traditional wooden style the Rajasthani art kind of wooden dolls has been decorated over here. And here's the idol of goddess Durga. Very beautiful traditional kind of idol has been done here. Beautiful one. So friends, this was Golf Green Colony. Now I'll be heading towards Aheri Bhawanipur, then Aheri. So friends, now we are at Hajra Park Durga Puja Committee. So you all can see that this is a wonderful pandal that has been made up of white cloth, which is here at Hajra Park Durga Puja Committee. And the idol of goddess Durga has been made in form of angel. A very beautiful pandal has been made up here at Hajra Park. So friends, this was Hajra Park Durga Puja Committee. So let's move further. Stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, now we are at Rupchand Durga Puja Committee at Bhawanipur. Very beautiful pandal that has been made up of just using the bamboo sticks. Here you can see the pandal that has been made up only with the bamboo stick. Very beautiful decoration inside. And here's the idol of goddess Durga. So friends, this was Rupchand Bhawanipur. So now I'll be moving forward. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. So here you can see the theme of Rupchand that has been made. Nature, the art of God. So friends, now we are at Bhawanipur 68 Polli. A very, very beautiful theme has been taken here within the beauty of nature. You can see fountain has been decorated here. Lots of plantations. And very beautiful traditional style of goddess Durga's idol. A beautiful one. Very beautiful one. So friends, this was 68 Polli Bhawanipur. Now I'll be moving forward towards Ahirtola. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. Friends, now we are at Shadhin Shango Bhawanipur. A very beautiful theme here at Shadhin Shango. Traditional village theme has taken off Bengal.
আমাদের ওখানে আজকে ফরমান জারি করে গেছে ব্যারিকেড দিয়ে দিয়েছে সামনে ঘরে ঢুকলে
So beautifully done here at Bhawanipur Shadhin Shango. So let's move forward. So friends, now I will be taking a traditional style of rickshaw, hand pull rickshaw over here at Bhawanipur to move towards Chakrabedi Club. So friends, let me tell you, this is the heritage of Kolkata. This kind of rickshaw you can only find here at Kolkata. Hear me sitting in the hand-pulled rickshaw in Bhawanipur. You can see this is the heritage of Kolkata. Let me show you, friend. It's a very old Kolkata. You can see all the houses here. These houses are actually built during the Britishers' time. and still existing. So it's a very old Kolkata. All about 150 to 200 years old Kolkata. So friends, now we are at Chakraberia Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. Here you can see wonderfully decorated here.
এবছর আমাদের থিম অপরাজিতা।
And here you can see Shankh and Sudarshan Chakra of Lord Vishnu. Very wonderful decoration here at Chakraberia Club. And here is the idol of goddess Durga. Very realistic, very generous and beautiful. The whole pandal has been made up of straw and coconut rope. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So friends, this was Chakraberia Club at Bhawanipur. Now I will be moving forward towards the Ahiritola to watch such a beautiful puja pandals and such a beautiful Durga idol. Stay tuned with me, stay tuned with my channel. Let's roam around. You can see here, Bhoga of goddess Durga is being disputed here. So I would like to have some bhog of goddess Durga. The bhog of Mahasaptami. Yeah. So this is the bhog of Chakraberia Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee at Bhawanipur. So friends, stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around.
What's your channel?
Let's roam around.
Let's roam around. Okay,
So friends, I already had my bhog at Chakraberia Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee at Bhawanipur. Now I am heading towards Ahiritola. I will be catching metro from Netaji Bhavan and I'll be heading towards Ahiritola. So meet you there at Ahiritola, so stay tuned. Let's roam around. So friends, after southern part of the Kolkata, now we are at the northern part of the Kolkata. Now here, Shoaja Shiv Mandir. Now heading towards. So friends, while heading towards Ahiritola Puja Committee, it's just 5:30 at my clock and you can see how crowds have started increasing over here at the street of North Kolkata. So friends, now we are at Ahiritola Puja Committee. It is one of the very famous Durga Puja Committee of North Kolkata.
ও আচ্ছা এইটা ও বাবা ঢুকে বেরিয়েছো ও বাবা ইয়ে করেছে আর কি
Really beautifully decorated.
বেকার যাবে
taken of ancient time of East Bengal house. So friends, this was Ahiritala. So I am moving forward. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's romance. So friends, after Ahiritala, now we are at Shoha Bazaar Beniatala Club. So friends, this is Shoha Bazaar Beniatala Club. So very beautiful decorated pandal. Just made up of carpets. And a very beautiful idol of Goddess Durga. So friends, this was Shoha Bazaar Beniatala. Now I will be heading towards Shoha Bazaar Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, after Shoha Bazaar, now I am heading towards Kumartuli Park. Here you can see all the lighting works that has been done over here at Kumartuli Park. It's only 6 p.m. at my clock right now, and you can see how crowds are increasing at the streets of North Kolkata. You can look at the enthusiasm and the excitement of the people for pandal hopping. Let me tell you friends, the crowd here at Kolkata is increasing at every moment as the evening proceeds. So here we are at Kumartuli Park. So friends, now we are at Kumartuli Park. You can see this wonderful, beautifully made pandal over here at Kumartuli Park. Let me try to move forward so that I can capture the idol of Goddess Durga for you all. So you can see here, this is the idol of Goddess Durga. A very wonderfully made, a very beautiful example of the artwork of Bengal here at Kumartuli Park. So friends, this was Kumartuli Park. Now I will be heading towards Kumartuli Sarvajanin. Let me tell you, friends, Kumartuli is the largest idol making factory of India. Here, the idol of every god and goddess used to be made before every festival and used to be exported throughout the country. And next I will be heading towards Kumartuli Sarvajanin Club. Kumartuli Sarvajanin Club is actually the club, the association of all the idol making artists of Kumartuli. How the idol of goddess Durga used to be made here at Kumartuli. I have taken few snaps pre-puja, which I will be posting at the end of this video. You can go through it. You can look at the crowd. Guys, you can look at the crowd. How at each and every moment the crowds are increasing here at the streets of North Kolkata. So let me tell you about the history of this Kumartuli idol making. Actually, the idol of goddess Durga, which is used to be made over here at Kumartuli, the first clay of the idol used to be bring by the prostitutes over here at Kolkata. So this place is near Shoabaja Shutanuti, and this Shoabaja Shutanuti is also known as the Asia's largest red light area. And all the prostitutes of red light area of Kolkata used to bring the first clay for idol making here at Kumartuli. So this is the history of Kumartuli. So let's head towards Kumartuli Sarvajanin. So stay tuned with me, friends, with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, let me show you. This is the idol making factory of Kumartuli, West Bengal, the largest idol making factory in India. You can see the idol of goddess Kali started preparing over here. Just a few weeks back, the idol of goddess Durga was filled over here. The idol of goddess Durga was making over here. You can see now the idol of goddess Lakshmi, goddess Kali, goddess Jagannatri is making now. So let's head towards Kumartuli Sarvajanin. So friends, Kolkata is also known for the city of street foods. You can see barbecue over here. So I will also like to have one stick of tikka kebab. You can see how beautifully the kebab is being made over the barbecue over here. On the way towards Kumartuli Sarvajanin. So friends, whenever you visit here at Kolkata, definitely you should try the street foods over here. Kolkata is well known for its street foods across the country. So friends, here I got with me the blogger of Naughty Bounce.
Prankster.
They are actually the prankster in YouTube. You can also subscribe their channel. I will be giving the link below there in my description box.
Do subscribe to my brother's channel. Huge shout out.
What's the channel name?
Naughty Bounce.
Naughty Bounce. So
This is the main guy.
Okay, men.
So he is the main blogger of Naughty Bounce. Please do subscribe. So here we are, friends.
একদম দাদার চ্যানেলকে অবশ্যই সাপোর্ট করো তোমরা, আর দাদার এই ব্লগটাকে অন্তত কমেন্ট করে ভরিয়ে দাও, যাতে তোমরা আর শেয়ার করো বেশি করে, যাতে দাদার এই ব্লগটা অনেক দূর যায়। চলো দেখো।
Thank you, friends. Actually, your support used to give motivation to we blogger, so we can make more and more entertaining blogs for you all. And this kind of blogs used to get viral throughout the country just due to your support. So we need more of your support. So do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you, friends. So friends, at the street of Kumartuli now I am having tikka kebab over here. A very spicy and really very tasty one. It's tongue licking. Trust me guys, it's really tongue licking. So let's have tikka kebab. Meet you back at Kumartuli Sarvajanin. So stay tuned with me, stay tuned with my channel. Let's roam around. So now friends, after having a spicy tikka kebab, now I am here at Kumartuli Sarvajanin Puja Committee. It is one of the other very popular puja committee at North Kolkata. This puja used to be made by all the idol making artists of West Bengal. Here always you will find very unique artwork that used to conduct over here. Very, very beautiful puja pandal here at Kumartuli Sarvajanin. The whole pandal has been made up of cloth and net. And you can see the crowd over here at street of North Kolkata. How the enthusiasm and excitement among the people is increasing regarding the pandal hopping here at the auspicious occasion of Durga Puja. Very wonderful, very beautiful idol of goddess Durga. Very, very beautiful one. Really, very beautiful one. That was Kumartuli Sarvajanin. Now I am resting for few minutes at the bank of Ganga here at Kumartuli Coast, Kumartuli River Bank. Afterwards, I'll be heading towards Bagh Bazar Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee. So stay tuned with me, with my channel. Let's roam around. So friends, after Kumartuli Sarvajanin, I am here at Bagh Bazar Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee, the ancient Durga Puja Committee, Bagh Bazar, the place of Ramkrishna Paramanand, the place of Rani Ramkrishna, the place of Ma Sharda. So friends, here we are at Bagh Bazar Sarvajanin Durga Utsav Committee.
বাগ বাজার সার্বজনীন দুর্গা উৎসব প্রদর্শনী উচ্চ চন্দ্রবিকাশ ক্রান্তি শতাব এসব খাবার নেই অবকাশ ঘুরলে তোমায় ঘুরছি আমি দুরন্ত অন্তরে পূর্ণ হলে বর্ষ শতক দীর্ঘদিনের পথ বাগবাজার সার্বজনীন এটাই জয়রথ লক্ষ কোটি মানুষের ভালোবাসার মা জাগ্রত এই দেবী বাগবাজারের প্রতিমা দেশ বিদেশ থেকে আসা লক্ষ লোকের ভিড় সব অহম সরিয়ে রেখে করছে নত শীত তুমি সবার স্বপ্ন পূরণ তুমি সবার আশা হৃদয়ে দিয়ে তোমাকে তাই সবার ভালো হয় দেখলে তোমার দয়াবি ওই মুখ তোমায়
A very beautiful and traditional style of Goddess Durga's idol here at Bagbazar.
সত্যি কোনো কালে হবে না। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ স্যার, অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ সিদ্ধার্থ স্যার। একটা কথাই বলবো, যেভাবে আপনি আবৃত্তি করলেন অসম্ভব ট্যালেন্টকে আমরা কোনো কিছু দিয়ে মাপকাঠি
Very beautiful idol and very beautiful pandal here at Bagbazar Durga Puja Committee. The ancient Durga Puja Committee here at Bagbazar.
ধন্যবাদ।
Here we are at Fuchka stall here in Kolkata. It is at different place of our country. It is known by different name. Pani Puri at western side of India and northern side of India. Golgappa at Bihar, Jharkhand. Gupchup also at the western and southern part of India. And here in West Bengal, Kolkata, it is well known as Fuchka. So, friends, I will have some Fuchka over here. So here we go at Fuchka stall.
আমি বলতে পারি না আমাদের ঠাকুমার সেই গল্পের কথা, সেই গল্পতে আমরা শুনেছিলাম যে আমার গল্প যখন দেবী উমা বলতো তোমরা পরিভ্রমণ করেছো, ভুবন পরিভ্রমণ করেছো, কে আগে ঘুরে ফিরতে পারবে আমি বলবো সেই আমাকে বেশি ভালোবাসে।
Bit spicy, but it's yummy.
আর গণেশ ঠাকুর কি করলেন, তিনি শুধুমাত্র উমা দেবীকে দর্শন করে চারদিকে পা দিয়ে চুপ করে বসে পড়লেন। বিজয়ীরা বলে খালি আপনাকে নির্বাচিত হতে হবে, নির্বাচন করতে হবে যে কোন ঠাকুরটা দেখলে আপনার ঠাকুর দেখার সম্পূর্ণ হয়, আপনি সেই ঠাকুরটা দেখেন। আর এই বছরের জন্য সাহাই ব্যক্তি অনুরোধ করছি, বাইরে যে চোখগুলো লাগানো যায় আমাদের, সেখানে আওয়াজ যাচ্ছে না, আমাদের দূরাভাষে কণ্ঠস্বর সেখানে পৌঁছচ্ছে না, আমাদের এখানে এসে জানিয়ে গেল আমাদের সভ্যরা। তোমরা একবার এসে ওইটাকে অনুসন্ধান করে দেখে যে কথা বলছি না, বিশ্বাস করুন। আমরা চাইছি না যে ভিড় বাড়ুক, আপনার মতো দেখতে হয়। আমরা চাইছি না যে সেই নিদারুণ দুঃখ কষ্টের মধ্যে যারা যন্ত্রণার মধ্যে আবার আমাদের পড়তে হয়। উৎসব আছে, উৎসব থাকবে, আগামী দিনগুলোকে আরো বেশি করে উৎসব মুখোশ করে তোলার জন্য আমাদেরকে সংযমে জীবনযাপন করতেই হবে। এটা আমি বলছি বাগবাজার সার্বজনীনের পক্ষ থেকে, বলছে সবাই, হ্যাঁ চেষ্টা করছে সবাই, কিন্তু এখনো সবার মধ্যে মাস্ক।
So it was really very yummy, friend. That was it. It was the last and final one for today, Saptami's evening. So tomorrow I'll be again meeting you all with a new location, new Puja Pandal hopping. So up to then, bye bye, tata. But which one you think is the best for today, do mention there down at the comment section. And as I met my blogger friend today, the Naughty Bongs, I'll be giving their link at the description. Please do subscribe their link. So tomorrow I'll be meeting you all again with new location. So stay tuned with me, stay tuned with my channel. Let's roam around.